Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hunter Tim from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start in the middle and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across for the top. Then from the sides, let's curve it down, out, and back in like this. And the same thing on the other side. Then from the bottom left, let's curve it up and then dip it back down in the center. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's move inside and draw the teeth. Let's start at the top and let's draw a curved V shape down for the first tooth. Now for the next set, let's curve it down and back up. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another set of teeth on the outside. Now let's hop down and draw the bottom row. Let's start in the middle and let's draw a V-shaped point up. Then a smaller curved tooth. And then one more set of larger curved ones like this. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. We'll start by drawing 2 circles. And then inside each of these, let's draw another circle. And then let's color both of these in black. Next, let's add a curve above each eye. And then a small curve underneath on the outside. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's move up on the top in the middle here, and let's draw 2 curves up like this. Then from the top, let's curve it down towards the center from both sides. Now from the sides, let's draw another pointed curve out and back down. Now let's step up from the bottom and let's draw a bent line down. Curve it out and back down with a point. Then we're going to curve it up. And then an S-shaped curve down next to the eyes. Next, on the left side, at the same level as the eye, let's draw a curve up, then an S-shaped curve down. And let's do the same on the right. Now for the end, let's draw a small line out. Let's angle it down towards the mouth. And then let's curve it down underneath the mouth like this. Next, let's connect the lines by following the same curve as the bottom of the mouth. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a line down and curve it in. And then connect them at the bottom with a curved line. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move to the sides and draw the arms. Let's start on the left side, next to the point here, and let's draw a curved line down. And let's do the same on the right. Then from the end, let's curve it up and out. Now underneath, let's draw the inside of the arm. Let's start with an S-shaped curve underneath here. Then a curved point in. And then one more smaller curve. Next, let's add the hands. Starting from the top line, let's draw a curve up. Bring it over. Curve it back down for the first finger. And then let's add a nail at the end with two curves. Now let's do the same thing on the right hand. Next, from the bottom, let's draw a small angle. Then let's draw the next finger out like this. Then let's extend the line a little bit further down on both sides. Now underneath this finger, let's draw another point like this. Now let's draw the last finger. This one's going to be curving inwards, so let's start with a curve like this. Then let's draw the nail coming in. And then an S-shaped curve up to close off the hand. Now let's do the same for the right hand. And lastly, for the hands, let's draw a curve inside like this. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath and let's draw angled lines down on both sides. Then from the inside, let's draw a bent curve. Now let's hop back to the outside line and let's draw a point up and down. Then let's angle it down. Then one more small point out and down. Now let's hop back on the inside. Let's start with a curve down on both sides. then a bump down, and then one more bump at the end. And now let's close off the bottom of each leg with a curve across. Next, underneath, let's draw the feet. Let's start on the outside and let's draw a curve outwards. Then let's curve it back down and in. And then S-shaped curve back up under the leg. Next, for the back of the foot, let's draw a rectangle shape like this. Lastly, let's add the toes at the end. Let's start with a triangle shape, and then one more above it. And now let's do the same on the right foot. And that's it for Hunter Tim. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!